To add links from text and card for site navigation, you use the built-in text linking feature. This allows you to turn specific words or phrases into clickable elements that can redirect users to external websites or internal sections within your card page. It is one of the simplest but most important tools for improving navigation and user experience on a single page or multi-section layout. Start by opening your card dashboard and selecting the website you want to edit. Click Edit Site to enter the visual builder, where all content, layout, and interactive elements are managed. Once inside the editor, locate the text element that contains the content you want to modify. This could be a paragraph, heading, caption, or any block of written content on your page. Next, highlight the exact word or phrase that you want to convert into a link. For example, you might highlight phrases like learn more, contact us, or even a single keyword depending on how you want users to interact with your page. After highlighting the text, look for the link icon in the text toolbar or settings panel. This icon is usually represented by a chain symbol and is used to attach hyperlinks to selected text. Click the link icon and paste the destination URL into the field provided. This could be an external link such as a social media page, portfolio, or Discord invite, or it can be an internal anchor link like #about, #services, or #contact that scrolls users to a specific section of your card site. If you are linking to an external website, it is recommended to enable the option to open the link in a new tab. This ensures that visitors remain on your card page while still accessing the external content. Once the link is added, confirm or apply the changes. The selected text will immediately become clickable, indicating that the link has been successfully attached. You can repeat this process multiple times across your page, allowing you to create a fully interactive layout where users can navigate through different sections or external resources directly from text elements. Before publishing, it is important to preview your site to ensure all links are working correctly. Click each link text to verify that it leads to the correct destination and behaves as expected. Finally, click Publish to make your changes live on your card website. This will update your site so all visitors can use the newly added navigation links. And that's how you add links from text and card. Highlight your text, attach a URL or section link, confirm the settings, and publish your site for smooth and interactive navigation.